See in 100 seconds merge sort. Merge sort splits the array in half, sorts each half recursively, then merges them back together. The merge function does the heavy lifting. Two pointers walk through the sorted halves. At each step, the smaller element goes into the temp array. When one side runs out, copy whatever is left from the other side. Then write temp back into the original array. The recursive part is simple. Find the midpoint, sort the left half, sort the right half, then merge. Base case is a single element. Seven unsorted numbers. One call to merge sort, and they come out in order. O of n log n. The split halves the problem each time, and the merge walks through n elements, much faster than bubble sort on large arrays. Next up, quick sort.